On countering with the knife, you can either, there's several ways to do it. One is the regular hold, like this, and then one is the reverse hold, and this is that fashion of the baliktad hold. So I'll show you a little bit of both. I'll start with the regular hold. So when the strike comes, obviously you want to come inside, go right to his arteries. One would be right here to his wrist. So it's a block, strike, and then a check. Okay? One time. That's the first cut. That's the first cut. Okay? From here, you can come inside. See it? Then from here, go to the brachial. One more time. Come to the wrist, then puncture the lung, then go to the brachial. Right here. Very simple movement. 1, 2, 3. Controlling his left hand. Okay? You can come upstairs. From here, 1, shoot straight here to the jugular, then cut. You can also strike this way. One more time. Here, boom, 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 here. You come here, then here. Bang. 2, or 1 again. You'd also come outside this position, wrist, boom, then come this way. Then cut. 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 One more time. Come this way, come inside. Okay. You can come this way, cut to the other artery. 2. Same thing, cut. You always want to cut. Then strike, brachial, boom. Then here, one more time. Cut inside. You can come to the groin here, come here, then around. 3. You can stay this side, cut, puncture, boom, and cut. One more time. You can even block here, cut this way, come here, boom. And 4. This is the cut. Again, here, the rib, the brachial, the boom, then back around. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5. Come inside. This is still the cut, and the cut, and the cut. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6. Carry. Go right to the cut. Puncture here. All of this is good. Here. Time. Even from here, you want to play inside, then play outside. But notice where I'm cutting him as I move. Okay? You need to make sure you go to the carotid here, the brachial. What is this called, Buster Brian?
Femoral.
The femoral here, and then obviously the wrist over here, and then the anywhere in this center right here, where his heart and lungs are. Okay, I'll do like a 1 through 6 real slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut, 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 cut. 3, boom, cut, 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 boom. Cut, cut, boom, cut. 5. Cut, boom, cut, and cut. And 6, I can come outside, boom, puncture, boom, and cut, and cut. Okay, medium speed will look something like this. Not too fast, I'm tired. 2, here, cut, boom, 3, cut inside. Notice the arteries that I'm cutting. From here, cut, 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 brachial. 5, the wrist, boom, and here. And 6, here, wrist, knife, boom. Here, then femoral, coming back around, slice, and the neck. Okay, thank you. This method is the ice pick, otherwise known as reverse grip or baliktad. So there's pros and cons. Some of the pros will be much harder to get disarmed. When you hold it regular, there's a lot of leverage they can use. If you hold it this way, there's less leverage. Okay? So that's an advantage. The other advantage is you can punch with this and also cut as a follow through, or vice versa. And the other advantage is that you can hook. You can use this to hook around the neck, hook around a limb, hook around his wrist, and trap him. I think the main disadvantage is your reach. So if you hold it this way and you're attacking someone here, you got to be pretty much this close to him to hit him. But if you're in this position, you probably add maybe 6 to 8 inches on your reach, which could be huge if the guy also has a knife. So it's your preference though. Okay, we'll start with number 1. The same basic concept. The strike will come, and the first thing I do is I have my left hand controlling the strike, the weapon, and then I'm going to go right to his artery here. This way. Then I'm going to shoot. I can shoot to his neck, throat, and then I would hook in this position. One time, I shoot to cut. 1, 2, and 3. The other option would come this way. You come down lower, shoot to his here, then go to his brachial. One more time, this is his wrist. Shoot to his lung, his brachial, then come across here. Okay? Medium speed, it would look something like this. Feet block, then here. One more time. Watch the strikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. This is the block here. Cut. You can come the inside. Boom. Then work your way up. Boom. One more time. Just a simple movement. Cut, 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 cut. Let's stay on this side. Look something like this, where you're here, here, or you can go outside. Stay outside a little further. And you cut, cut, and come across. Boom, boom. One more time. Block, strike, strike, and then coming around. 3. You can stay outside. This is your cut. Cut the wrist, throat, and back. Simple. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or you can stay outside a little further, coming outside. Here, you come this way, or come to his brachial in this position. Okay, 4. Always go to the arteries though. Here, strike, strike, and strike. One more time. I come from here, I come this way, then here. 5. I can stay outside. Cut, first cut is here. Strike, boom. Then I just slide up this brachial and then around. One more time. I can come inside. Strike, strike, strike. Then here. One more time. Strike, shoot, boom. Then if I pass, brachial, and 6. Parry, cut, 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 cut. Boom. One more time. Come down low. Cut. Puncture. Brachial. Karate. Boom, boom. And here. Always control with the left hand. Okay. I'll do it one time slow. All the way through. 1, 2, 3, 5. Boom. Cut. 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 Boom. 3. Cut, cut, cut. 4, cut, 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 and boom. 5, come here, slide, 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 and 6, boom, boom, boom. Medium speed, or slow to medium would look something like this. Cut, 2, this is your cut, cut, cut. Oh, sorry, cut, 3, cut, 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 cut. 4, cut to the neck. Boom. Cut his wrist. Come inside. Boom. Then from here, bang, 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 bang. Cut, 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 cut. Always cutting to the arteries. Thank you.